In this video, we will see how to stretch shoes. To do this, we will use a leather shoe stretching spray. This will allow us to moisten the leather and make it more soft without damaging it. Apply it to the inside of the shoe in the area that is too tight. Then, to facilitate the process, we can use a shoe tray. These are made of wood, but if you want to save money, you can either buy plastic shoe trays or you can wear thick socks and put your feet inside the shoes to make them wider. No matter the method you choose, the main point is to widen the shoes by applying some pressure from the inside. So after a few hours, remove the shoe trees and you should have shoes that are bigger than they were before. Depending on how big you make your shoe trees, you can make your shoes to about 1/2 a size bigger than they were before. I hope this video helped you. Feel free to leave a like or a comment if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one.